Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Please, I want to teach you on how to grow your Facebook audience, because if your audience is going lower, Facebook will not be suggesting your page to other people. So learn how to grow your Facebook page and also how to grow your audience. If you open your Facebook page, you click on your profile, click on professional dashboard. And also here in this video, I will teach you how to check if your account is on a strike. Yeah, if your account is on a strike, or if you are in any violence activity. Yeah, so you click on profile recommendation. See, the first thing, flagged content. So my audience is not growing well because there is a problem. There's an error here. So the second one is profile has no violation. So here is how to check if your Facebook is on any violence activity or not. So this one is good. So how do you correct it? How do you grow your channel if your channel is having problem? You click on manage content. Okay. Firstly, read everything you are seeing here. Posts we won't recommend. Here is the content that could keep your profile from being suggested to people. Let me screenshot it first. So if you want to learn about it, if you want to learn more, you click on learn more recommendable content. So here, if you want to check what happened, you can click. But here, the main issue here is Olumachi was one of my friends created a post that was flagged unsafe. So let's view it. Okay, see the post here now. So it's like this post is having problem. I don't know whether I can view it. So how do you manage to solve the problem? You click on take action, delete post, delete. Once you delete it, okay, let's go back again. You click there, you click on manage content, you click on delete post. Just click on delete posts, delete the posts, take action, delete posts. Yes, has been deleted. Okay, she has already deleted the post. So let's go back. Let me refresh. Remember to like this channel, remember to subscribe on this channel, like the video, comment if you are confused in one way or the other. Okay, let's go back again, check if my profile is on, or if my profile is having any problem or not. Okay, you click here. Remember, you click on profile dashboard. Okay, profile recommendation, this thing is still there. The reason why this thing is not working is this: the person that created the post already has been deleted it. So if it's the one you deleted, once you click on delete post, it will delete immediately. So please like this video. I would like you to check this. I would like you to be doing this thing every month. Be checking on your page. This is just like page maintenance. Be doing this every month, every week, for your page to be growing healthy and strong. Thank you.